get going on that part 2. Left you with the Tim Brown. And the Moose, and bar none, William Floyd. Brett Favre, style points. Eric Zaire. It's on. Kerry Collins, rookie. J.J. Stokes, pay dirt. Napoleon Kaufman, rookie card. Chris Sanders, rookie card. So it's not just now that the Titans/Oilers have drafted bad receivers. Reggie White, Big Daddy, Dan Wilkinson, Jerry Rice, style point. Bettis, Westbrook, Bledsoe, Wheatley, Quick Strike. Well, that's not a bad player, I guess. I don't know who's in the set besides Falk, but I know Jerry Rice is now. That's a 1/15 insert, so hopefully get one more of those bad boys. Herman Moore, Dwayne Washington, Eric Metcalf, take the rest of the packs out. Just that box is empty. J.J. Stokes rookie card. Jeff Blake rookie card. What up, East Carolina? Another Kerry Collins rookie. Another Jerry Rice. Style point. Another mirror image of Reggie White. And Big Daddy. And Prime Time. Rodney Thomas rookie. Ooh. What up, 30 years in jail? Love to go on those colored ones. Not if somebody collects, because it'd be that much easier not to have to shell out the dough, but what can you do? Well, here's the second quick strike. Ooh, nice crease for the gloss. See right there where the light is. Rod Woodson. Maybe if I'll send it into Skybox. Oh, wait. Dino Filia, Ray Zellers. What up, Notre Dame? Sayal, Marvin Jones again. Style point Steve Young again. Elway. Watching the Army-Navy game right now. And if you see this video up, Ty Law, Frank Sanders rookies. Mirror image. Here we go. New one. Elway. What up, Steve? Damian. E. Schuler. What up, Elon? What up, Lonnie? What you doing, man? What a Ben. Adam, Redskins super fan. But if you get the CBS College Network or whatever, college sports, UMD, Minnesota Duluth is playing at 5 p.m. Central. What up, Joe Aska? Rookie. Eddie Goins, rookie. They're playing, I don't know, Northwest or Northeast Missouri State. Starting to get the cards that are all stuck together. Tony Baselli. What a Boston. A former Texan. Joey Galloway. There we go. Not a colored version, but for the PC, I'll take it. Danny Marino. Skybox Premium Pay Dirt. What up, Drew? Benji Quadruple Zero. And I want to check it real quick. Delta State and Shepherd. We're playing right now. 2 minutes left in the fourth. Delta State's up. And you can see why I don't wear my glasses on here, because you can see the screen reflecting in them. Eddie Goins, rookie again. Sanders Falk. Mirror image, style points, and Marino. Lavelle Pinkney, rookie. Kyle Brady, rookie. Stoney Case, rookie. Cordell Stewart, rookie. Here I think there's a couple new ones here. Steve Young base in there with the Falk style points. And we got Eric Rett, Emmett Smith, mirror image. I believe Delta State's going to be going to the title game, hopefully facing UMD, but now that I say that, they'll probably lose. Mike Mamula, rookie. Barry Sanders, base. Warren Sapp. I don't know if we got one of those yet. Rookie. Smith Rhett, mirror image, another Falk. Style points. Marcus Allen, Rashawn Salam. What up, M Mac 27? Rookie card there. Andre Rison. What up, Michael Sevens? Fuck is that? Charlie Simmons, rookie again. Merino base. I believe this will be our last insert. Eric Rett, Premium Pay Dirt. Mirror image, Natron and Bam. Rison again. Which is, I don't know, this is odd. I was going to say something's off here. But so you've got Rison base card in his Browns jersey from where he signed, but you couldn't put that on the subset card. Just a thought. Just a thought. Warren Sapp, rookie. Oh, another quick strike. So we got, I think, 3 of those, and they're one per 15, so we got an extra one of those. That ain't bad. Timmy Brown. What up, I am 140. Edouard Harley. Ooh, Ronnie Harmon. He was like the poor man's Marshall Falk and Roger Craig. And I mean the really poor man's. What up, Alan? ADS 912. Go, Chad, just go. Last pack. And on the back, too, I'll show you this. You know, probably nobody cares. This is when they actually had insert odds on there. And it wasn't just, oh, you're guaranteed 4 hits. Well, hey, maybe if we made some actual odds instead of being lazy. Tyrone Poole rookie. I think that's our first one. Lee DeRamus. Style points of Favre. A mirror image of Bar None and the Moose. And the last card of the box. So, there it is. Hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, tough shit. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed bringing it to those who enjoyed it. This is just the one stack. Excitement. I'll be going through those, and I'll get them out in the mail tomorrow for you guys. And that we're in the group break, so take her easy, YouTube. And if she's easy, take her twice.